Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting tools and a clear reference because clarity speeds decision-making. Once you have pencils and a 45 degrees reference, sketch a light head oval and centerline to orient the face. Then map the torso with simple boxes, placing shoulders and hip lines to lock pose. Make sure proportions follow the 1/2 head-to-torso rule. This keeps Joker stylized yet believable. Move quickly through rough shapes so you can refine anatomy without erasing too much later. Now you refine the face. Mark eyes at the midline and position the nose and mouth relative to that center. When drawing the domino mask, follow the underlying eye sockets so it reads naturally. Use sharp, confident strokes to capture Persona 5 stylized edges. Once the mask sits, sculpt the hair with layered, jagged shapes and clear directional strokes so volume reads even in silhouette. Make sure to vary line weight, thicker where shadow falls, to suggest depth before moving to clothing details. Finally, you solidify the drawing by inking confidently. Use a 0.5 or brush pen and intentionally vary line weight to emphasize form. Once inked, lay down flat color, deep blacks for coat areas, muted reds for accents, then apply 1 or 2 shadow tones to create a cel-shaded look. Add a single bright highlight on metal or eye mask to pop. If something went wrong, check proportions by flipping the page or using a mirror. That reveals errors quickly and guides corrective tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.